Here I am making today 5 kgs of lip balm. So in my products this lip balm is also very famous. So in this lots of butters, beeswax, oils, A2 ghee cow ghee, and also it contains 100 time washed ghee, aloe vera and honey is also there. And in this I will be adding some fruit enzymes which will enhance the lip color. I do make lipstick bases. So you can see that a lot of butters are there. I keep beeswax a little less and I maintain the consistency with the butters. Usually where beeswax comes in the formulation, we need to change the recipe according to the climatic conditions. So this pot is it is 15 liters, 15 kgs. So in this I melt butters, I make melt and pour soap base in this, and I make some hot process. I melt waxes for lotions and creams also in this. So like this I am having now. This my brother-in-law made this for me. It has various temperature settings and auto cutoff, that once I set the temperature and once I said that it should run for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. After that automatically it will switch off. You can see the color is nice yellowish shade because of A2 ghee cow ghee. And also because of the fruit and enzymes also it gives beautiful color. So this lip balm base is very famous. I get very good orders from various reputed companies, and thanks to Aethon LLP Noida, from them I procure various butters and oils. They supply clays, butters, essential oils, fragrance oils and carrier oils, even the base oils. So they have many variety of raw material supply. They sell herbal extracts and blended fragrances also. Now they are upcoming with various other products also. So if someone is looking for some raw materials like butters, waxes, oils, essential oils, fragrance oils, then you can contact them, Aethon International LLP. You can see their contact in the description box below. And for the products, you can WhatsApp me on 9542786627. You can visit our social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter by name Tia Soaps. You can visit our website tiaojas.com. I do only wholesale. I don't do any retail. So I give 98% finished product. You have to just only add fragrances and essential oils of your choice. I will tell you how much percentage you have to add in that, or else there is also a provision that you buy essential oils from Aethon and you tell them to deliver it to me, so that when I make bases for you, I will add the fragrances what you have selected. and I will send you, so that simply you can just refill them. It's so beautiful yellow color. For more pictures and information, please visit my social media, Instagram, Facebook by name, and Twitter by name Tia Soaps. If you have any queries, please do email us on tiasoaps@gmail.com or info@tiasoaps.com, or you can WhatsApp me on 9542786627. If you have any particularly some skin issues or hair issues, please do email me or WhatsApp me, so that I can suggest you a better product. Since I cannot give retail orders, but there are my distributors, my customers who buy from me in bulk and they sell in retail, so you can buy from them. So I sell all over India, so I have many customers in different states. So if you want any retail orders, please let me know from which state you are, then I will give the contact number. From them you can buy the retail orders. If you want wholesale, you can contact me directly. Thank you.